you're not saying anything.
Hi everybody, I got mail. So first package
You've got
is
mail.
from Fernando Pena.
Pina!
And there's the 3D printing pen. Oh, the cat want to check it out. And then there's a second 3D printing pen. Hi. Ooh, this one actually has instruction. And let's see. The second package is from Creality. I order the magnetic pad for the CR-10. This package is just kind of roll up in the mailbox like this, so I don't think it's pretty sealed. Instructions. And there's the two magnetic plate. It looks like there's 3M adhesive and one piece. I guess this one you stick on the aluminum or glass. This is just kind of like magnetic sheets so you could put printed stuff to snap on the side of the car, kind of magnetic sign material. And the other piece is more magnetic material with some kind of Biotech like surface, and they just kind of stick together. I don't feel like the magnet is that strong, but I guess together they shouldn't slide that well, so we'll see how well it works. So I got one for the CR-10, and if it worked good, I might try to stick it on the FP5 as well. And look like Ken just unboxed the 3D printing pen and the filament it comes with. One white, one blue. Wanna say hi?
Hi all! Now we gotta find a power supply.
Let's see.
You have a battery pack?
Let's see if I do it right. Yep, I do.
It's got white and turquoise too.
Let's see. It's on.
Here, kitty, kitty, kitty.
Oh, need a print bed for your pen. You could try out the print bed.
That's smaller than 1.75.
The other iPad, they can look in the chat.
Safety instructions. Please pay attention to electrical safety and blah, blah, blah. Do not use product. Oh, we're not supposed to use the pin in the bathtub. Wash hands basin. Blah, blah, blah. This product is not waterproof. Using the product first time there may be a little smoke. Power on. Makes a really interesting buzzing sound.
FP3D?
Yeah. Yeah, see. Alright, push the power button, it's pulling the filament in. Are we alive still?
Yep.
Thanks, I appreciate that. I could get... Oh, look! We have print! Looks like a totally different color than what's coming out the other side. Oh, now it looks... Hey, this looks like my A8. Okay. Cool. Alright, who's got a birthday cake for me to decorate?
Oh, it looks like there must be some orange filament before.
Yeah. Actually, it'd be cool for filling gaps and anything that was under extruded.
It'll be, this one don't get that hot, but I wonder if it'll stick together without a PLA. And I want to see if you could join two scrap pieces together inside the FP2.
Yeah, okay. Okay, so it stops. Most interesting. Stick to the plate. I thought this Doltec plate was not supposed to stick to. Yeah, it releases really well. PLA stuck to your build plate. Hi. Hi. Oh, now it came off your build plate. Maybe.
So, I wonder if I could use this.
You're just looking for trouble.
Well, Malcolm did a video on this. Oh, turn that off?
It might have been. You got a green light or a red light?
No, no light.
There's a red.
Red.
Must automatically.
Okay, turn green.
You gotta push the stop button. Is it stuck in your tube?
No. It's kind of, it's dry. I try to join the two filament together, press it together. It did make that little piece, but it's not really strong enough to stick the two pieces together. It looked like it joined. It got a good end on it, but it won't melt the two pieces together.
Oh well. Here we go. See if you can get your build off the plate.
Let's see. This is too flexible. This is like flexible stuff. Oh, it looked like it stuck really well. I don't want to damage it.
Okay.
I guess we're gonna use the glass tile to stick, and use another glass tile and stick one of those sheets in there. And I could try to do a print. Okay, so maybe you embed this onto this sheet. So.
Put it in the fridge. Put it in the freezer. Let it sit up. That way it'll get cool and brittle.
Boy, don't.
Put it in the fridge and let it sit. Yep, sheet works good. Holds onto your print, not a problem.
Yep, and there's the unboxing and destruction of the first sheet.
I guess that'll go on the FP5. He won't let me play with toys anymore. Okay. Very good. Turn that back towards you.
What?
That.
Okay, so I guess that's my mail. So I guess when I get this installed on the printer, I'll see how well it print. Hi Ashley. It's only a 15-minute stream.
You haven't had a stream in a long time anyway.
Yep. Let's see where the stop button is. Oh, there it is.